Welcome to IGS Europe in Czech Republic. I'm Charlotte Bessière and I'm the General Manager of IGS Europe. I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour so that you see what our offices look like. So follow me. This is our waiting area where we host our customers and partners for their first talk. Now, let me take you where the real magic begins. This is the room where our project managers and team lead prepare their work, prepare the next job, make sure documentation is ready, and ensure the lessons learned. This is our conference room. Now, let's see what it looks like when we're all having a meeting. This is our office area, where we do the estimate, the project management, and the logistics. Now I'll take you through the warehouse, where the heavy lifting is being done. Welcome to the warehouse. Here in the warehouse, we receive material from the past job, equipment, we repair them, we maintain them, and we prepare everything so that it's ready for the next project. So thank you for coming with us on this tour, and see you soon at IGS Europe in Czech Republic.
IGS Europe.